Hello, this is a mind-blowing free course. Of course, why I say it's a mind-blowing and very interesting course is this course is going to teach you how to be able to trade automatically all the currencies, all the cryptocurrencies you can talk about using a robot. And the robot name is called RoyalQ. So have you wondered of how you can be able to earn money or earn a profit passively while sleeping, while working, whatever you are doing, the robot is trading automatically for you. How sweet does it sound for you to be able to make money while you sleep? Of course, go ahead and click the register button, register on the free course, and let's dive into learning how to be able to trade automatically with RoyalQ. It's very interesting app, very interesting technology, AI technology, and you're gonna. So as I said, everybody, beginners, professionals, and I'm going to take you on the introduction and some of the examples by my students. Some of the students have taught on how to use the app. I'm going to teach you how to be able to set it up, how to activate the app, how to set up a trading strategy so you can be able to trade automatically and make money automatically as well. Like I said, it's a daily income, and you are sure of making profit, whether the market or BTC is going up or down. We are sure of make your profit. Of course, this is a very huge opportunity you can't afford to miss. You are a beginner, you don't know how to trade cryptocurrency, RoyalQ is for you. You are a professional trader, RoyalQ is actually for you because it trades automatically for you. You have a work you are doing, you have a job, you don't have time to trade. RoyalQ is for you because it trades automatically for everyone. So everyone enjoys it, and you are going to be part of it as well. So get ready. And of course, you appreciate the information you are going to get through this course if you follow it accordingly. See you on the inside, and make sure you get registered and follow the steps, okay? Thank you.